companies are coming and 100% placement exists. This is what the information that I have got. Hi everyone, Jai Mata Di. This is Chief Engineer Praneeth Mehta. Welcome to my YouTube channel Merchant Navy Decoded, and today's video is very important for anybody and everybody who aims at becoming an electrical officer, or because today I'm going to talk about top 5 ETO colleges in India. Now guys, when I talk about top 5 ETO colleges, I'm not going to give you any sequence. मैं सिर्फ एक sequence बोलूँगा, but that does not mean it's a generalized statement कि यही sequence है. What you have to do is you have to do your own research. I am like a source of information where I will just give you, but I won't feed you that information. You have to do your own research. You have to find out. अपना दिमाग लगाओ और आगे बढ़ जाओ. So let's just start कि if I want to say number one college, that can be Anglo-Eastern Maritime Academy. One major reason is कि इनके अपने shipping company है, own college. The 100% placement scenario is always there. Fees is around 3.3 lakhs. 4 months का course है. After that you go for around 8 to 10 months of their onboard training. That means 2 contracts. 6 months each approximately. So on first ship you go as a trainee ETO, you do another ship as trainee ETO, and then you go as ETO after clearing your ETO COC, right? So second college that I would recommend is Samudra Institute of Maritime Studies. As far as the sources that I have got, I have heard that Samudra Institute of Maritime Studies, since their number of seats are less, the waiting period is not that high in Samudra Institute of Maritime Studies, and I give them full marks for the training because their college is really very good. Infrastructure is very good, the trainers are very good. So at number 2 again, Samudra Institute of Maritime Studies, 100% placement. Fees is around 3.99 lakhs. Number 3 pe I put Great Eastern Institute of Maritime Studies. On number 4 comes, that is Tulani Maritime Institute. Whatever sources that I have got, I have seen that their intake is not much, and companies are coming and 100% placement exists. This is what the information that I have got. Last but not the least is SCI Shipping Corporation of India. I have talked about these 5 ETO colleges, right? In the description box you will find the website links. Please go through them so that you can find the eligibility criteria which exists. You need to be aware with that. Number one thing. Second thing is join our Telegram group called Marine Electrical Decoded. Share the information that you have got and ask for information what other people have got. Second thing. Third thing is start preparing. I'll be making a separate video on that as well. Fourth thing is please just don't go by what I am saying. I might be correct today, but I might be wrong tomorrow, right? So through these websites, find out people who are studying in these colleges through Instagram, through YouTube, through LinkedIn. Try to talk to them, go to Quora, get some authenticated information, first-hand information from people, and then trust your sources. Because waiting period for today Anglo can be 2 months, tomorrow it can be 6 months. Same goes for Samudra. Today it can be 8 months, tomorrow it can be 2 months. So please, please, please apply your brains, do that hard work, do that research. It will really, really help you. And if you find out the correct sources, please share that information on our Telegram group called Marine Electrical Decoded, because sharing is very important. We together as a community need to grow and achieve. Thank you very much. Jai Mata.